Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So you're going to have to excuse the lighting. It's a dreary, rainy day outside and it's 7:30 in the morning. So I'm in my usual situation. I have the daylight going up, but I also put on my indoor lights because it was just pretty dark in here. So what's going on with me? I hurt my back and I have not been to the gym in 2 weeks. It was pretty bad. I was to the point where I almost went to the ER. I walked into a PT slash chiropractor place, and I've been seeing PT chiropractor. Went to my primary care physician, got a muscle relaxer. So I've been doing everything I could possibly can to get myself better. And I'm almost there. I think maybe like another week I should be better. But I'm dying because I have not been to the gym and I'm just feeling my whole body turn to flab. Which I know doesn't happen, but it just doesn't, I don't feel as firm and tight as I usually do. All right, so Stitch Fix is today. I ordered a bunch of things through the Freestyle app. I have to say the Shop Your Looks, style for me, they know my style. Like they put things there that I like. So I have to say it's not like I would look and say that's not my style, They really do when they curate my, wardrobe. It's stuff that I do like. And some of the things that popped up and some of the things I've been wanting. So I think I mentioned that I wanted a pair of like off-white jeans. And I did get a pair from Good American from Stitch Fix and I had to send them back. They were just way, way too tight. These are cut. All right, these are cut from the cloth. They are the Isabel high-rise slim straight jeans. So they have a finished hem and a straight, I wouldn't even call this a straight. This is almost to me like a modern skinny. So it's not real tight, but it's not real straight either. I mean, I could see definite tapering here off. And it is a high rise, and that is my biggest concern is the rise. Looks really long to me, so I'll have to see how this fits on me. But if these fit, these are gonna be a keeper. They were $94. All right, next up, this is something that I don't have anything at all, and it's a name brand I never heard of. Put in the comments below if you've heard this name brand before. It's called Heatherly. Heatherly. I tried to Google it and it kind of came up with Ink, Love, and Peace. I don't know if it's a Stitch Fix only brand or not. So this one is a dress, completely different from anything I own. I'm really intrigued by it. The material is quite good. It's like a linen cotton blend. Let's see if I can find the exact, here it is. 70% cotton, 30% linen, but the lining of it is rayon, all right? Made in China, machine wash clothes, do not bleach, lay flat to dry, low iron if needed. So for the materials that it is, and the fact that it was in a package and sent to me, it is not that wrinkly, so I'm pretty impressed by that. All right, the colors on it are pretty neutral. It's like a khaki and like a black, but it's interspersed with like an ivory, so it's not like a solid black line. It's very neutral. And they have these tortoiseshell buttons down the front, which are not usable. They're just for show. And then they have a tie belt that you can see has an unfinished hem. But what I did is I looked and it is a finished, so it should not unravel. There is stitching going all the way around this belt, so it should stop it from unraveling. And this kind of feeds into the fringe style that is big and hot right now. So this is kind of very much on trend and on style. And of course it's a, shoulder strap is the same thing. And again, I checked and it's stitched all the way around. Now there are some loose threads on this, but they're literally just loose threads, or one here is attached that I'd have to pull out. So it actually seems, it was $58, and for $58, and the fact that they stitched the sides here, I think it's a pretty decent quality for the price. It has like a zipper in the back to get on, and the zipper, does it go all the way down? Yes, the zipper does go all the way, well, not all the way down, but halfway down the back. It's cute. It is definitely my style and definitely nothing I own. All right. My only issue is I did get it in an extra small petite, and I'm a little bit concerned about it fitting. I don't think it will fit. I think it's going to be hugging my hips. This is called the Heatherly Maria Heatherly Maria linen midi dress in off-white, extra small petite. Definitely very cute. I will try this on, but something tells me it's not going to fit. All right. Next up, I've been looking for over a year for the perfect, I guess, bodycon dress, but I don't want it to be too bodycon. I don't want it stuck to me. I want it on me, right? I want it look like it's stuck to me, but I want loose material to play around with so it's not, you know what I mean? And when I saw this online, I think I got this last year in a regular extra small. It popped up again. So this time I got it in a small petite. And when you see it online, it looks like it has so much ruching in the front. But when I got this, I'm like, first place, look how tiny this is. I mean, I know it's knit and I know it stretches, but oh gosh, this is so freaking tiny. And it doesn't look like it has much ruching in the front. It looks like it's just all on the sides. So I will have to try this on and see how it lays and see if it ruches up. Like I said, I do want like a bodycon dress, but I want it to be a little bit more forgiving so I can wear it. All right, give me a minute while I try these things on. Okay, first up are the jeans. They're calling these a straight. They're not straight. I'm sorry. They're skinny to me. They fit. I don't think the rise is too bad. It is a high rise. They're a weight above my belly button, but it's still not quite hitting my ribs, so it's something I can tolerate, right? So my belly button is like right here, so it comes right above the belly button. Here's the back of them. I am wearing black underwear, so this is a chest to see how see-through they are. I'll pan down to show you the bottom. I'm sorry, this to me is not a straight leg. All right, I'm pan down. To me, this is a skinny, all right? I don't care if you call it skinny, straight, whatever. This to me is definitely like a skinny. This is not a straight leg. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and decide myself whether or not these are the ones for me. Like I said, I've been looking forever for a pair of like ecru pants, but I was kind of hoping for like a more modern type of pants, like with a straight leg, not a skinny. Let me know your thoughts on this. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna throw on the dress. Okay, here is the dress, which as I suspected is too small. This is an extra small petite and there's absolutely no give. So you can see it here pulling at my hips and I can't even zip up the back completely. So yeah, this is too small for me. I would have to go up the next size if I wanted to keep this. The length hits right below my knee. Again, I'm 5'2". Okay, so right below my knee. I kind of like this dress. You know what? I'm not gonna I'll look to see if they have it in the next size up. And if they do, I'll probably order it because it is a cute dress. It just obviously doesn't fit me. I like the material. I believe, I mean, if it's zipped, I believe it would be bra friendly if it's zipped. It's not bra friendly right now because of the situation in the back, but I believe it's bra friendly, which is unusual in a summer dress. Extremely lightweight, extremely breathable. Highly recommend this dress. Size up. All right, next up is the black dress. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. I think I finally found a black bodycon dress that works for me. So this is a small petite. Usually I'm an extra small petite, but maybe not based on these two dresses. I'm definitely a small petite. So this is like a bodycon style, but there's so much extra fabric and ruching here. It's forgiving. So I ruched this up to cover up my tummy area. I'm not sucking it in. I'm not wearing shapewear. I'm just wearing my regular black undies. I'm showing you this to make sure I look okay in the back myself. They're the seamless kind here, but obviously you probably see the seam across the top because they're not seamless at the waistband. I'm wearing a black racerback bra from Soma. Both undies and bra are from Soma. Highly recommend both. This is bra friendly and I believe it's tummy forgiving. I like the ruching. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage, but I think this is the dress for me. It has a large slit that comes up here, just to be aware. And it's just a basic black tank dress that I was looking for. Like I said, it's bodycon, but not, you know, I have a little bit of fabric here to play with and hide things so I don't feel I have to suck it in. And I think I would wear this on a warm day during the summer. All right, I'm gonna look back at the footage and I'll do my final wrap up. Final wrap up, keeping this black tank dress. This is extremely comfortable, extremely forgiving. And it was exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna mark this off my bucket list. The jeans, I think I'm gonna return. I was really looking for a more modern silhouette, like a real straight leg. And you can see when I look back at the footage, they're skin tight around my calves and then kind of stick out at the ankles. And I have so many pants that style, you know, I have a ton of skinny pants that style. So I really don't want another pair of pants that just look like another pair of pants in my closet. I want something unique, especially if I'm spending $94. And then the dress, I am going to look to see if they have a size up. If they do, I'll order it and I will share that with you in the next round if they do. All right. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do shopping hauls, try-ons. Give me a thumbs up. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.